Hey, welcome back to my channel, and I wanted to do a quick video. I had a impulse buy, and I recently purchased 243 1972, which is a Mr. Muffins exclusive. It's the Erie 10-wheel 460. And it was something that was offered in the 2024 catalog. And so let's take a look at it. So we got a nice looking engine here. Small, runs on 031 track. So for those of you who have a smaller layout, it'll definitely do well on 031. I've got some Super O track on my upper main line, and that's what I'm planning on using, and that's 036. It has stack smoke, and it's got whistle smoke. And I was kind of hoping that it would have two separate smoke units, but it appears it just has one, and it's got the dual reservoir. So one reservoir feeds the stack, and the other one the whistle. And so the Erie 10 wheel is going to be pulling the hobo car. And you got the hobos playing the harmonica. So let's get it started.
We have good set, good release, good continuity on timetable train number 1. Over. Yeah, that's Roger. Good set, good release, good continuity in timetable train number 1. Out. Dispatcher, we're gonna empty the ash can. See you tomorrow. Out. Trains go.
And a little music as the sun sets. Thanks for watching.